My dear, now so I just moved to the new house. My vacuum cleaner is full, so I say make I run am now instead of spoiling my vacuum cleaner. So I have to empty this thing by myself instead of, because the new one is in the old house. So what I go do now? Now so if I remove this thing now, I'll be able to fix it back instead of spoiling my vacuum cleaner till the time I will bring the new one and replace it. And so now with the manager like that, now go do Igbo. Wetin man go do? Na so. So if not, I not too like yama. But wetin I go do now? At least all this thing now from my house they come from. So one woman come help me the other day, and she dey warn me, say go and bring the new one or you risk spoiling your vacuum cleaner that is almost 1 million. That's what I go do now. Now so see the vacuum cleaner here. So see the thing don't full, don't they pour anyhow. So if I no use hand remove am, manage am, reuse the old one, and so this nyama go enter the engine and they go knock. So as Naija babe now, I find the plan B till I get the new sack, the new bag. Wanna go dey pardon me, na so I dey mix French with my English. It's no easy to speak so many languages, and so all of them go dey jam for your head. One for don't come out for your mouth before you realize say na pidgin you want speak, abi na English you want speak, abi na French. German too at times they mix himself. I don't know. To move from house here, no easy. They manage yourself new. See my children don't spoil the vacuum cleaner, ma. But I no go buy another one, because if you buy another one, they go still spoil them. And they wait for them to grow up. Once they grow up, now I go change all my appliances. Make I dey follow them use the one way fine for eyes. They work or nothing do I never spoil. Nothing. That's why they try not to spoil it. This thing now, if I no remove am, all this dirty way they see go knock the engine. See the filter here. See another filter here. All this thing way they go direct. But if I empty that sack now, I go fix am back here. I don't know whether it is this thing black past me. So now so thank you. Please try to subscribe. I need subscriber to reach my target. I have target. Thank you very much for watching. You can come back for another day to see what I drop again. Thanks. See this. I know they advertise, but I like this product. Say na Medicare. So as you dey vacuum clean your house, all the dust, if you get asthma, no go to enter your nose. That's why I like to vacuum clean my house instead of sweeping. Okay now, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your Monday. Abi we just come out for Sunday now. Today na Monday. Also don't start again. I say I clean my house. This one my children don't go to school.